So I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my Microsoft keyboard I bought on Amazon for about $15. This is the 600 series, and I'm replacing my old Microsoft keyboard I've had for about 12 years, and the letters are worn off, and the Z doesn't work. Otherwise I just would have kept the keyboard because I really like it. But to replace this one's like $100. I don't want to spend that much, and I don't use any of these features up here. So let's take a look at this. And this is wired. I don't like the wireless ones because I don't want to have to replace the batteries all the time. And I just use this for, typing, video editing, and playing Warcraft. So let's take a peek. So the buttons and everything feel good. I thought about getting like a Corsair or Logitech keyboard, but I couldn't find anything that had really good reviews. They said that the space bars were sketchy on those, and I didn't want any of that RGB lighting. I just wanted something simple, kind of like what I had. So let's plug it in and give it a test, and then I'll use it for about a week and then come back and let you guys know what I think about it. Let's plug in the USB. Alright, I've got her plugged in so we can take the old one, toss it, and slip this one in. And I love the fact with the wired mouse versus a wireless that you don't have to replace the batteries, and there's nothing worse when you're gaming and having your keyboard die and then your character ends up getting killed. It's just frustrating. But yeah, it's got the number, all the features. Let's see, volume up down works. Yeah, I think it feels pretty nice. These buttons are pretty small up top, like the F1, the escape, versus the ones on the other keyboard were way bigger. I'd say that's really the only downside, but for how little I really push those function buttons, I don't think it's really necessary. But I bought this on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description down below if you guys want to get the same one. I thought I'd make a short video on this just to kind of show what the buttons and everything look like. So I couldn't find really any information on there besides just pictures of people's reviews. Everybody mostly said they liked the keyboard, so I figured I'd just do a little up close to kind of see how the buttons and everything work. They feel good, just like what I would expect. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up. It's been 2 weeks now, and I have really liked this keyboard. It took me a while to just get used to these smaller buttons up top, but as far as all the keystrokes and functionality and how everybody seems to like it as well as I like it, I haven't noticed any difference and don't even remember my old keyboard anymore. As well as all the reviews that you see on Amazon, this thing had thousands of reviews, all basically 4.5 to 5 stars. So I don't think you can go wrong with it. Just wrapping up this video. So anyway, guys, give me a thumbs up down below. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you like this kind of content, and I will catch you on the next one.